Naghahanap ka ba ng elegant house and lot na may 2-car garage at very accessible pa? Dito lang yan sa Pleasant Hill Residences, located at Phase 5, Barangay San Miguel, City of San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Just few meters away Quirino Highway, lies a property na siguradong magugustuhan ng family mo. Pleasant Hill Residences is a development project of Tierra Casa Consultancy Incorporated, who is committed to provide quality houses at strategic locations. Today, we are looking at a 3-story single-attached model unit dito sa Pleasant Hill Residences. So, this is our 2-car garage. Nakita nyo po, naka-tiles na po yan. And we have some room on the side na pwedeng maging another room o kaya naman storage area. Yan. So, we have another room on this side na possible na maging room, lalo na kung meron tayong mga elderly na kasama sa ating family. Yan, so ginawa yung receiving area, pwedeng maging office or any other purpose. Of course, we have our common toilet and bath dito sa ground floor. So as you can see, meron na yung water closet, lavatory with faucet, and we have the shower fixtures. Again, this is our parking area. Yan, kasyang-kasya yung dalawang kotse. Bakit po tayo to our second floor? So this is our staircase. So meron naka-tiles na po yan. And of course, this is our hallway connecting to our main entrance. So we have our main door. And on our right side, andyan po ang ating living area. Okay? So this is our second floor. At nandito mostly yung ating mga house features. Ayan, andyan yung ating dining and kitchen. We will check them out later. Okay, paakyat po tayo sa ating third floor. So we have our staircase. So we have concrete stairs with laminated wood planks. Ayan. So ito ang ating hallway sa ground floor, sa third floor rather. Ayan, meron po tayo ditong first bedroom. Ayan, so kasyang-kasya ang double bed or queen size bed. Ayan, so we have decorations, furnitures, appliances. Those are not included in our turnover since this is our dressed up or model house unit. So this is our master bedroom. Ayan, nakita nyo naman, napaka-ample ng space. Yan. So let's have another look. That is our master bed. We have some tables, some sofa. Yan. So we have our master toilet and bath. So we have the water closet, syempre. The lavatory with faucet. We also have our shower fixtures. Kung may mga gamit dyan, again, those are not included sa ating turnover unit. And we have here our walk-in closet. So another look of our master bedroom. Let's have a look to our second bedroom at the third floor. Right? So, ayan. Yeah, so meron tayong bunk bed. Ayan, so ginawang working space yung ilalim. Again, this is our hallway. And we have a common toilet and bath. Yan, so syempre, kompleto din po yan ng ating fixtures, no? Ayan. So, napaka-elegante, napaka-aliwalas po ng ating property. Okay, so this is our ceiling. So, we have a very high ceiling dito sa ating downstairs, no? Pababa, so pwedeng lagyan yan ng chandelier or any aesthetic lamps, syempre. Okay, let's go back sa ating second floor. Again, that is our living area. And that is our dining area, our kitchen, and on the side, we have a toilet and bath. And this is our service door connecting to our service area na meron na ring lababo sa labas. So, para to avoid, no, yung mga kung medyo basa yung ating may mga gawain. Alright? So this na again, our hallway connecting to our main door. And yung nakita natin kanina ay yung ating stairs. So once again, this is our 3-story single attached house and lot dito sa Pleasant Hill Residences. For those who are interested, contact Marlon of Allwell Homes Realty. Tara, we will bring you home. Thank you!